I think I done ate. I gotta stop talking now because you're recording.
Ah, I figured that. I figured you was being gonna be quiet when I hit the record button.
I'm gonna mute my phone.
Yeah, it's only gonna be shared between me and you. It's not gonna be with nobody else. So yeah, I like to record it to give it to you. Give you the recording after. But yeah, so you can continue to talk. It's not like anybody gonna hear it, but you. Let me share the screen.
I need to sign up for something so I can be able to trade.
Okay, so what
So
have
I
you?
would be a trade flunky.
Yeah, what have you signed up for? You haven't signed up for a broker yet. That's right.
Hmm?
You haven't signed up for a broker yet?
I ain't signing up for nothing.
Signed up for nothing. Oh yeah, because that last broker you supposed to okay. But yeah, we can do that. I'm going to text you a link and I'm gonna show you how to actually go in the link and sign up.
Okay.
All right. Then we can do a tutorial on how to do deposits, withdrawals, and things like that.
Why you muffled? Is it me? Do I sound muffled?
Do I say? I mean, no, you don't really sound muffled. I do hear a little sound.
That might be me chewing.
Yeah, I think that's you chewing. Yeah, that's the stale popcorn. No, yes, you are making that sound.
Mhm.
All
I
right.
bet. I'm ready.
Yeah, man. Definitely don't eat your hand over there now. Don't eat your hand over there because that fast is something serious. So what you did you was doing water fast or
Man, no, I would have disappeared. I did the water fast. I
mm,
did everything. I couldn't eat pastas, fried foods, meat, sugars, flours, dairy, pretty much nothing.
pretty much went vegan on me,
Yeah, it was. I was eating fruits and vegetables, um, whole grains,
Okay.
nuts.
Well, that sounds really healthy.
Hmm. It was. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the
Nice.
detox. I can tell you that.
Oh,
It was
well,
a good detox.
you need to link up with Portia on the detox. We got this detox pill that well, you take two of them things and it will clean you out, girl.
If you actually go in and you fast, that'll clean you out because you ain't eat nothing but fruits and vegetables. So it's just that's all it's gonna do. It's gonna clean.
Right, and then the actual detox that you actually take won't not much is gonna come out for real because you're not eating none of them greasy foods. That's a fact.
Yep.
So this is trading view, of course. Hmm. Did you figure out what pair you gonna what pair you
But
gonna
they
trade?
say $15,000 for what? Good Lord.
Oh, you talk about right here?
You know, on that page that you was on before here.
Oh, that was no, those were the coins. So you get coins on trading view when you refer people. So you get coins. So those were just coins. Like
Oh, I
like
thought those
trading
were
view coins.
costs that people were paying in order to sign up.
Oh no. Trading View is free, but you can get a monthly subscription for Trading View if you want to have a little bit extra tools, a little bit extra access to things. That's all. But Trading View is free. So. All right, let me send you this link. So you have an iPhone, Android, right? Oh, you have an iPhone. That's what I was just trying to do forex.com. So and you got to download MT4, I believe, though, didn't you?
That's the one I think changed to FT5 or something like that.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Change
do have that downloaded.
change to FT5. Okay, awesome. So if you're doing FT5, then I'm going to give you. this broker to sign up with because this broker connects to MT5. Let me see.
It says can't find your broker because I don't have one.
Exactly, because you don't have one. So let me log into this. I'm gonna send you this link, and I'm gonna show you how to actually sign up for the link. Do you have the second, the 2A authenticator app on your phone?
Say it again.
Do you have the Google Authenticator app on your phone?
Google.
Yeah, to authenticate, like they send you authentication code for like two-step verification.
Sometimes, but not for everything.
Sometimes, but not for everything. All right, because so a lot of these brokers, you are gonna usually sign in with those with that because of just safety reasons. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just now getting off, so I say let me do this before I get comfortable because if I get comfortable, I'll be done to fall asleep.
I don't see too many W. Well, I do see a W right there.
Yeah,
Okay.
you figure what you trading on?
No, I'm looking at your screen.
Oh, you're looking at my screen. You're looking at the line screen, the line chart. That's the line chart. You can change your screen to a line chart.
Hmm.
Yeah, let me actually hit. Yeah, did you choose what pair you want to trade yet, or um? Well, you said you wanted to trade around what time?
Didn't you say gold and something?
Yeah, gold. Yeah, I'm actually back trading gold. So Tony got me back trading gold. I mean, but I trade just about everything because I usually know what I'm looking for. Well,
So
yeah,
what's the best to trade?
this is gold. This is gold's pair AXAU USD. That's gold. XAU versus the USD. So we go over here to launch chart, and this is what it looks like. My username for I'm about to put some money in this account. This is the account that you didn't want to do because you got to put in all that information. But all right, so this is gold. Let me take the indicators off because take all that off. And this is what you see. All right. So the first thing you're gonna do when you're about to start trading is you want to check to see what the news is looking like. So you go on over to forexfactory.com. See what type of news.
Wait. Shouldn't I be logging in somewhere?
You don't really gotta log in. You can follow what I do on my screen if you can.
Okay.
Forexfactory.com and just pretty much just listen.
Okay.
But I'm about to send you a text message to actually sign up for this broker.
Okay.
So I can show you how to do a deposit in and all that good stuff. Sent. All right. I'm just letting you know. I'm just going through the steps on what I look at when I'm about to place a trade. That's all. Look at forexfactory.com and we got news at 9:30. So news for AUD is about to go down. All right. So that's actually perfect. So what I'm gonna do is right now, while I just sent you the link, but I want to show you exactly what the news does when it hits, right? So say I'm doing AUD USD. AUD USD. So here's how I would approach the news. So you see this? That means the news is about to hit right there. So this is actually a perfect example because the news is about to hit. All right. So what I like to do is if I'm trading AUD USD, because I like to trade around the news, I will find the lower part of that, which is there, find the higher part of it, which is there. So this is considered boxing in price. So when you hear people say boxing price, this is what they're talking about. You know, you're pretty much just boxing in where price is moving in between the zones. So From what I'm seeing, it looks like it's gonna sell during the news because if it's on a downtrend, but you can't always predict that it's gonna sell because sometimes the news they can do whatever they want during the news. That's why a lot of people that teach you how to trade, they tell you not to trade around the news. But so this is how I would actually trade around the news. I would put a line right there and a line right there. Now the reason I put those lines at the top and the bottom because those are where my orders are gonna be. All right. So you want to put a buy stop right here. And I'm gonna show you how to place a buy stop. Sell stop right here.
So your first line is the buy, the next line is the sell.
Yes, ma'am. All right.
So you're setting them where there's no candlesticks.
Yes, setting it where there's no candlesticks because the candlesticks are gonna go there once the news hits. See, look, you see that? You see how that thing just shut down? Look. All right, so it looks like it could be going into a sell. You see that?
Put your first line on that first that candlestick right
Boom, boom. All right, so it's about to break this. What was your question?
there. Where'd you put your first line on that candlestick right there?
At the end of that candlestick, right here, because it didn't break out this. It was inside this zone, but as you see, it's selling and it's breaking the zone. Well, we're gonna see if it's gonna break the zone or is it gonna just hit the zone and then bounce up. Let's see. Just watching it during the news. This is when all the volatility is happening. This is when when a lot of the banks, the big money are pouring money into the markets.
Is red good or bad?
I mean, red's good if you're in a sell.
If you're in
Blue,
a sell?
yeah, red is bad if you're in a buy. And it really depends on where you get into the actual trade at because if you were to get into a buy right here where it spiked up at, you means you would be in the profit right now. But if you're into a sell down, if you're into a sell down here, that means you would be into the negative right now because the candles, the price is all the way up here. But
So
the
the
reason
prices are dropping?
because it's dropping. Yeah. So that's why I say it's more likely going to sell. It was already in a sell, right? So and here's how I believe that it's going to continue to drop because it dropped right here, and half the time, 9 times out of 10, this is a pullback. This is called a pullback. So it's pulling back, and then it's gonna continue to drop. Now, if you want to measure, right? If you want to measure the pullback, you would do a higher high than the lower low of that zone. So what you would use is a Fibonacci. This is called a Fibonacci retracement, right? So the Fibonacci retracement, calculates it calculates retracements. So a pullback is considered a retracement. So you want to take it from the top, drag it down to the bottom.
So you're just tracing where you want it to start and stop?
You're tracing it where you believe it's gonna go, or where you believe it's gonna bounce off of. So as you can see,
Oh, you're making a W.
it looks like it's making a W, right? At the bottom of the zone.
When you
Right?
open it up, it looks like it.
When you open up
From
like
where you have your
the lines, right?
the starting line.
Mm-hmm. So this could potentially be that could potentially be a W. This could potentially form into a W with the next hour
If you
candle,
go
right?
down, then it's gonna bounce up.
Right, right, like that, right? That's what you're looking at.
hmm
Look at you, look at you, look at you. Awesome. So yeah, these right here are considered retracements right here. Where this little red can, this candle retraced up a little bit, dropped, traced up, dropped. That's a little retracer right there. We gotta go count down.
So that you have that line, all those colors in that block, where that block ends on the right hand side, that's where you're hoping it's going to shoot up to.
Where you beat all the way up here?
Right there. Hmm.
Well, that's just yeah, because that's where it dropped from. So you could potentially see the market do this, right? This is considered. You can consider this a inverted head and shoulders pattern. You know, if you zoom out, so you're looking for this pattern to happen. You're looking for it to come up back up to this neckline. It's called a neckline up here, and you're looking for it to form another shoulder, then continue to go up. See? So this is how the market moves. The market moves in a downtrend first, right? And they move. Then it starts to move sideways, which is this sideways. But in that sideways, it made a shoulder. It dropped below. The reason why it dropped below is because that makes the head. So you're exactly correct on the W down here. So which means you could have potentially got into a buy down at the bottom of this zone because that's the bottom. This is the top. You usually buy low, sell high, right?
Hmm.
So yeah, this could potentially be making a W, and it could potentially be making a inverted head and shoulders pattern for the rest of the week.
So how do I know when to? So you're going to leave this in here all night, or
What?
you're gonna?
What is this pattern?
Yeah.
Yeah, this pattern you can keep this pattern on your chart for the rest of the week and see how it actually moves with the pattern that you actually drew, which is a good practice.
But are you putting money in it?
Oh, I'm gonna put money in this account. Yeah, I'm gonna put money in this account inside forex.com.
No, meaning, are you putting money on this right here that you just did?
Oh no, I'm not putting money. I'm just showing you right now. Yeah, I'm just showing you right now. I didn't put any money on it.
But that could move in a matter of seconds, right? It's not going to take a whole week for that to move.
No, it's not gonna take a whole. It could take a whole week. Yeah, it could take a whole week for all that to move because all these are hour candles. If you want to zoom out to a week and see what the weekly look like, let's erase. Matter of fact, let's just erase all the drawings and let's look because I was just showing you that that's potentially what it could do. We're gonna see what it could do, and then I wanted to show you how to actually um, place a trade around the news. Um, potentially place a trade around the news because I don't want to teach you not to place a trade around the news just because people teach people how to not trade around the news because it's volatile. But if you look on the weekly, it's dropping on the weekly, right? It's the beginning of the week. The last weekend, it already broke the last weekend. So this could potentially be a inverted a head and shoulders pattern on the weekly. So long term, right, it looks like it could be selling.
And what about short-term trades?
Short term, it looks like it could be buying because you saw the W. So head and shoulders pattern right here. And then remember I showed you the inverted head and shoulders pattern when you go down to the smaller time frame. So you go down to the smaller time frame and it looks like this. So if you want to look at a bottom, this is what the bottom of that looks like. And then another reason why I look like it could keep selling is because of this. these right here, just like I say, these right usually those symbols right there are shown for the shoulder, the head, and the shoulder. Now let's zoom down to the hour. Yeah, the hour it could potentially buy, short term, because this could go all the way up here and keep buying, and then it could continue to drop. No telling we're about to get into the middle of the week. So usually in the middle of the week, it usually does its reversal pattern, which could potentially be now. All right, now let's look at gold because that's gonna be the pair you're gonna be trading. I just want to show you that around the news. All right, so how I would mark up gold, just like I said, look to see if there's any news. There is no news for USD.
I'm signing up for Henko trade.
Yes, Henko trade. Sign up for that. Matter of fact, let me log into that.
Okay, I'm into Henko trade.
Okay. And you just fill out the basic information.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. All right. So let me log out to because I logged into Hanko Trade to get that link. So let me log out really quick. It's Jeremy Glover. I had the wrong thing. All right. So you see how this Google Authenticator popped up?
Yeah, I did the authenticate. I didn't do that. It just told me to put in the authentication code, but yeah.
Yep, that's going to be set up in a few once you actually finish setting up that account. All right, submit. All right, so your screen should look like this. When you see live trading accounts right here, then you have recent demo trading accounts right here. So when you create your demo account, when you create your live account, you're going to use add live account up top right here, and then you're going to use add demo account when you want to create a demo account. And here's how you actually create it. You add live account. ECN. I have no.
What I
I have
should be
no.
doing now?
What you say?
Is this what I should be doing now?
Yes, this is what you should be doing now. But you want to do MT5 because MT5 is what you actually have downloaded on your phone. And then I don't know, are you going to be more of a trader on your phone or mostly the computer?
Probably both.
Probably both. Okay, so we'll set up MT5 on your computer as well, because you can actually place a trade on your computer and then it will show up on your phone. So you wanna select ECN. I don't even know what that stands for, but I just know ECN. I have no problems trading when I do ECN. Then you're going to do USD for the currency, and then you're going to. This is the leverage. So this is what they're actually going to let you get away with when it comes to your actual lot size.
So I want to put 500.
Yeah, put 500. It's usually a ratio 500 to 1, and then you want to hit open account. As you can see, it pops up to Dear Jerry, your account has been successfully created. Credentials are as follows. So you pretty much get an email with all this information. So how you would actually log in. So this is actually this is actually your MT5 login that you're going to use. And
The
this
trading ID is to log in, and that's the password.
yes. And then the server that you're going to look for uh inside MT5, I'm gonna go on here and show you actually how to do it as well. That's gonna be a little challenge because MT5 on your phone, it looks a little. I'm gonna have to go on here and find out. Matter of fact, let me see if I can. Let me see if I can talk you through it by just by looking at my phone. Um, so yeah, this is gonna be your login. So you want to save this. The server is Henko Trade Live. So when you go on your MT5, you're gonna go to the setting bar at the bottom. The settings bar at the bottom, and then when you go to the settings bar at the bottom, it should say add new account or new account in green.
You mean inside of the MT5?
MT5, yeah. Go inside MT5 on your phone.
Yeah, I just clicked on it, but it don't have what you're talking about. Oh, you said go to settings?
Yeah, go to settings down at the bottom.
Uh-huh.
And then once you go to settings at the bottom, it should say new account at the top.
It says sounds, auto lock, enable news languages. Let me go back. Oh, new account. All right, I see new account.
All right. Click new account.
Mm-hmm.
Type in Henko Trade, and Henko Trade should pop up. Henko Trade should pop up. Henko Trade LLC. You want to click that.
Okay.
And then at the top it says server. So you want to click Henko Trade live server or demo. It depends on which one you open.
Live. Okay.
Now you want that login right there, that trading ID needs to go in the login ID as your login ID. So that login, that trading ID number is pretty much your account number, like a checking account. So that's your account number. And then you want to
So
put in
what we're trading is Forex, right? Or what is
Forex.
it?
Mm-hmm. This is Forex. I'm gonna send you another link in a minute because this one's about to time out.
All right, so while I do this, I guess that's what you would be doing. Let me get the password.
Yeah, because I'm actually doing the same thing you're doing. I'm actually logging into it as you're doing it. And usually I do this on my phone, so I usually just copy and paste. It's a lot easier, but
But I need copy and paste.
I'm actually on my computer doing it, typing in everything on this password.
I am in. I am in.
Nice. All right. So now that you are in, how you do your deposit and how you do your withdrawals be on this side.
I'm on a different screen now. My screen shows USD balance plus 000.
Yes, and that's inside MT5, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so flip back over to Hanko Trade because Hanko Trade is the broker. MT5 is the platform that you connect to the broker.
Okay, so I'm back in. Where am I? Okay, Hanko trade.
Okay, so if you look on the left side, it says deposit and it says withdrawal. So on the left side, click deposit, and here's how you would deposit in Hanko Trade. You can use Cash App. Cash App is the fastest way to actually buy cryptocurrency and transfer it to your account because you're going to deposit it in a cryptocurrency. And the great thing I like about Hanko Trade as well is you could deposit directly into the account that you're gonna actually trade with. So it's not confusing because a lot of brokers that you use, you will have to make a deposit inside of your actual broker. And then after you put that money inside your broker, you're gonna have to transfer it to MC4, MC5 account number. So you click what account you want to deposit
Deposit. I should be clicking on deposit transaction. What did you just click on to get that to pop up?
on the left side, right here.
Oh, I was on that. I'm there. I'm on
Okay.
that part. But it was
Okay.
something that popped up again. Something you had just now that popped up. Hold on. What did I
Oh,
do?
this?
Yeah, that.
Okay, that's what account that you're gonna actually deposit the money in the MT5 account number, and then you put how much you want to deposit.
Wait, hold on, Jeremy, because I don't see. I clicked the deposit.
Hmm. And then it should say cryptocurrency at the top,
Yeah,
right?
cryptocurrency.
And then you see where it says select a trade ID.
But see, that's what I'm missing. Hold on. No, I don't. Oh, there it is. I had to scroll down. Okay. That's because you're on the computer, yours looks bigger.
Right.
Select the trade ID. So I'm just selecting MT5 or the number that's under there.
The number that's under there.
44. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Hold
And
on.
and then you're gonna put how much you're gonna put how much you want to deposit.
What's a safe thing to deposit? What's good to say?
Well, that's current balance. So there's zero on the current balance. So then you want to make sure your account currency is USD.
Mm-hmm.
And then you want to select what you want to deposit in. You want to deposit Bitcoin in there, Ethereum. Usually I just do Bitcoin because it's the easiest. And then you hit proceed. Once you hit proceed, a wallet should pop up. So you pretty much want to copy this wallet right here, or you can scan it. Well, first you want to buy the Bitcoin. So you want to buy however much you want to deposit in there, whether it be $50, whether it be $1,000, whether it be $500 or $300 or whatever. I think we talked about that you was probably wanting to do 300. So you would buy at least $315 just because when you buy Bitcoin, there's like fees. So you won't get an exact 300 if you buy Bitcoin because Coinbase and Cash App, they take a fee for you buying Bitcoin. That's with any platform. But but
How
uh
much is that fee?
but Cash App doesn't take a large fee. So that's why I like to use Cash App. Cash App takes like
Okay, so when
maybe
I
um,
copy from this screen, where am I pasting that up?
when you copy from this screen, you're going to be copying that wallet and you're going to be putting that wallet inside of your Cash App. So I'm gonna talk you
Okay,
through.
wait a minute. Hold on, Jeremy.
Uh-huh.
I told you they pick up trash. Like I don't have to take my trash out. So that was him picking it up. He was too close to my door when you was talking about cash out. But go ahead, I'm ready.
All right. So when you go to your Cash App, you're gonna go to buy Bitcoin. It should be on the home screen where it says buy Bitcoin. And when you hit buy Bitcoin, you're gonna buy however much you're gonna buy. So you're gonna buy $300 worth of Bitcoin
I
or
probably won't do
300.
three, but hold on. I need to buy Bitcoin.
It should be on your home
Bitcoin
screen.
roundups, find an ATM. Which one did you click on?
It should be on your home screen.
Oh, I see it. It's right there.
All right. Yeah, it is, and that's odd that they got the Bitcoins blue, but they should, I think the Bitcoin should have been like yellow or something. But that's just me.
So click buy.
Click buy, and then you want to do $307 maybe. Let's do $307 and see what type of fee that they take. 307 next. Hit next
Let's
after
start
you.
small. We're gonna start small. We're gonna do $107.
Okay, 107. Okay.
$1. Next.
And then it says, do you want to confirm? So when you see confirm, it shows you your purchase of the Bitcoin. It shows the fee.
Oh, $2.15.
See, so that means you can go in and buy, you know, it's gonna be, I guess it's gonna be different if you go in there and do, I guess you can go in there and do $103, so they can take that $2 and something out there. If you want to be exact on the money. And then hit confirm. Once you hit confirm,
So you want me to go back and do $109.17?
sure.
Is that what you were saying?
No, well, I was actually saying you could go in there and just do the $103 since the fee is only $2 and some change.
Oh, okay.
So you're not well, I mean, and anyway, the rest of that would be deposited inside your trade account anyway to trade with.
Oh, I can just leave it. Just let it.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't know if you just want to be exact or whatever, you know.